can't handle the truth. Well, you probably can, because in this video, I'm going to talk about exactly how long it takes to make money with affiliate marketing. All the bullshit aside, no lies, straight up truth. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how long it takes and how you can get started. Let's get it. Welcome to the channel. If you're brand new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that notifications, and smash that thumbs up. You can always take it back when you leave. I'm pretty sure you're going to dig the content. This is the #1 place for direct response marketers on the planet, period. Let's jump in. So before we get started in this, obviously there are some caveats I want to put up. #1, I'm pretty sure I'll get comments and saying, Sonny, I made money with $1,200 and blah, blah, blah. And I did this in 6 months, or I did this in 8 months. I'm not talking about you. You're Superman. What we're talking about is the average person, brand new, that's never did anything. If you're asking this question, if you're looking at this video, you probably have never done any type of marketing whatsoever, and it's you that I'm talking about. For the other guys that made $1 million in your first 30 days, good for you. If you want to make money today, like right now, if you're in need for cash at this very moment, you're in the wrong place. You probably want to head out and go get a job. And the reason why I say that is because everything is delayed on the internet. It's not going to happen right now. Even if all your ducks were lined up in a row and you had everything that I'm going to be talking about on the next slide, all of the skill sets that you need, and you knew everything and you just wanted to jump in, most affiliate companies take 60, 90, 30 days to pay unless you're an established affiliate, and then you can get to with some companies that'll pay you daily. Other than that, look forward to 60 to 90 days with no money. The next thing I'm going to tell you is that if you don't believe in what you're doing, you're going to fail. And I know what you're saying right now, like, Sonny, a bunch of people say that, or I've never done it. How can I believe in it? You need to believe in yourself. You need to understand, and a lot of people are cynical out there. I was just looking at a video on someone else's channel, and the dude was like, well, do you sell courses? And the guy was like, yeah. So if you have $1 million, why are you selling a $500 course? The guy's answer was, well, Elon Musk is a billionaire. Why is he selling cars? Everybody has different streams of income. And my comment to that dude was like, yo, stop being so cynical. If you plan on making money on the internet, don't be so cynical. Don't think everybody's out to get you. Don't think that everybody has their own self-interest at heart. Of course, we make money on the internet, but giving you this information is earnest. And yes, it's possible. And I know you've had this question before. Do you believe that there's a ClickBank millionaire? Like, do you believe it? Yeah, there is. There's dudes out here making tons of money. And just because you haven't done it doesn't mean that it doesn't happen. That's one of the biggest problems I had when I first started trying to make money on the internet, or trying affiliate marketing, or any type of marketing whatsoever. I thought that it couldn't be done because I hadn't done it yet. But it just ain't so. If you keep up and follow the rules that I'm about to get you, and you smash that like button, I'm pretty sure it's going to happen for you. So before you get started and we get into exactly how long it's going to take, I need to find out, do you have the skill set that is needed in order for you to make money as an affiliate marketer? So, and to find out exactly how long it'll take you to make money as an affiliate marketer, you need to have, first, there's a skill subset. And that means that you need to understand about funnels, all of what I call the marketing adjacent stuff that's around, the annex stuff that's all around marketing in general. So you have marketing technology that you need to be concerned about. So landing page builders, email marketing and automation, traffic generation, and working on social media, meaning how to post, when to post, and understanding don't spam people and all of that kind of stuff. That's a subset of skills. And I'm not going to even include like graphics, like how to do graphics and manipulate Photoshop. Most of the kids nowadays understand Photoshop, but when I started, that was something a specialty person did. Also, editing videos. You will have to upload videos. I suggest when you get started, as a side note, that YouTube is like the wild, wild west. It's the final frontier. You can get videos ranked on YouTube, and I feel like it's the final frontier for affiliate marketing. Now, your main skill set on what you really need to work with is copywriting, and you should know what that is. If not, subscribe to the channel right now because I have a ton of videos on copywriting and I'm uploading every day. Also, data analysis. And what that means is you need to be able to look at data, raw data coming from clicks and so on and so forth. The analytics behind on YouTube, or the analytics from when you buy ads and your media buying, and you'll find about that in the next slide. So hang in there with me. So when you get that data, you need to be able to analyze that data and make decisions based upon facts, not what you feel, not what you heard from somebody else, facts. Now, media buying and research. Research is really important. I believe it was David Ogilvy that said that admin and copywriters are the most curious people that he's ever met. And it's just true. You're curious. You have to be curious about everything. Right now, you should probably click a link and open it into the other tab and start trying to find out. That's what I would be doing. Start trying to find out, what the hell is Sonny talking about? Organic traffic and media buying. What is that? Either you're going to get traffic and start moving people around and directing traffic to where you need them to go organically, like using YouTube, or you're going to media buy, meaning you're going to go to ad networks and you're going to pay for traffic and move them around that way to get to your offers. Either one, if you don't have that skill set, that's something that you're going to have to learn. So if you have all of these skill sets put together, you're in the right place. So here's the answer to the question, is how long it will take. Before you go crazy looking at these numbers again, I'm going to say it depends. It's almost like asking me, how long is a piece of string? It's really no solid answer. But what I'm going to do here is kind of guesstimate and give you an educated guess on how long it would take the average person with those skill sets that I just talked about to make money on YouTube or online affiliate marketing. Now, organically, if you're getting organic traffic and you have to build your traffic over time, and you understand SEO and you understand some of the skill sets that come with doing this, I'm going to say 6 to 12 months. If you're buying media and you understand media buys, you know how to go to the native ad networks, you know how to go to Google ads and Bing and so on and so forth, Facebook ads, and you understand that skill set, I'm going to say 30 to 60 days because that's how long it's going to take you to get a check. So if you have all those skill sets already, get ready to start making some dough. Beast mode. Like, this is like what it's going to be like no matter what. In 18 to 24 months, you will be the Superman of affiliate marketing. And why am I saying that? Because it should take anybody. If you don't have any of the skill sets that I talked to you about, if you don't know anything and you're brand new from scratch, today is your first day that you're going to start working with affiliate marketing. In 18 to 24 months, if you work at it now, you have to work every day. But if you work at it and you're honest with yourself, I'm telling you right now that you'll be a beast in 18 to 24 months. And that means that you can take any niche that you get ready. You can talk to anybody in any, because you understand the research you have to do. So it doesn't matter whether it was weight loss or fitness or diabetes or health niche. It doesn't matter. You'll be able to look at that niche, go do your research, put up some ads, and start making some dough. So now I have my recommendations on what I think you really should do if you're starting from scratch and you want to get into affiliate marketing. Number one, I'm going to tell you to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button, man, because I'm going to come with a lot more videos after this. But no, seriously, the first thing I want you to do is slow down. I know that looked funny, but it's true. And I even practice that, right? Because I really want you to slow down. And why am I saying it that way? Because everybody's in a rush to make money today. And everybody kind of runs around, and I did this too, like a chicken with your head cut off, trying to figure out what's the next biggest thing. Which brings me to the next thing. Focus on one thing. It's the hardest thing to do. Pick one niche for at least a year and don't move away from that niche. And the reason why I'm saying that is because you'll be able to build credibility. You'll build a know, like, and trust audience. People will like you. They'll know that you are a good resource for information that they need, and they will keep coming back to you over and over and over again. But if you're one of those channels, for instance, that says how to get more Instagram followers, how to be an affiliate marketer, I just bought a Rolls Royce, check out my new car, how to play doubles tennis and get Serena Williams to be your partner, and you have all these different things coming up on your channel, you're all mixed up and you're trying to do things, and there's going to be some confusion. Number one, YouTube is going to be confused. They're going to like, what the hell is this dude talking about? And you won't be able to rank for anything. Number two, you're going to be confused and wondering, what the hell is YouTube doing? Don't they know what I'm talking about? And number three, which is most important, your audience is going to be super confused and wondering, what information can I really get from this dude? So what I'm saying to you is, focus on one thing. The most important thing that you can focus on each time when you're going through your subset skills, focus on that one skill, perfect that, and move on to the next. I think that you can do everything that I mentioned in my subset skills within 30 days. The copywriting and everything else, you'll never stop learning that. You'll keep moving on. The next thing I'm going to tell you to do is tons of research. Keep being nosy. Be curious. Always be looking for what's going on. As soon as you get down to it and trying to figure out YouTube or trying to figure out organic traffic, always be watching videos, reading books, get courses, invest in yourself, research, research, research. You want to have steady, firm pressure. Just get out and make sure, like when you're trying to reach your goals, that you just set up 30 minutes or an hour or 2 hours a day or however how much time that you have, set that up every day and stick to it. And just apply that steady, firm, consistent pressure. And with a low cash investment, that's how you're going to learn how to do media buys. But don't come out racing out of the gates, trying to spend $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. A good $5 to $20 a day on YouTube goes a long way. Well, that's it. If you like this video, man, click that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, man, share this video with a friend, and comment below. Let me know what else you want to learn about marketing or copywriting or anything in general. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, click this link right here above, and it's going to show you my 90-day roadmap to riches. I'm pretty sure you're going to dig that.